One day, Stacy was going for a roll at Bush Airport. She saw a person and decided to say hi. "Hello," said Stacy. The man turned around and looked very mad. "Disgraceful," he said. "I didn't sleep a wink last night. It was so quiet, and now planes come suddenly behind me. I was only saying hello." Then he looked at Stacy's engines. "No engine barriers. That is bad." "What do you mean?" "If a plane is going to the runway, they must have the front of their engines covered to prevent people and animals from getting dragged in. You don't have engine barriers, so you're dangerous." "Baloney. We were built without engine barriers. Then that makes it bad." "I don't believe that guy. He had the audacity to shame me for not having engine barriers." "Well, he must just hate things the way they are. I'm going to give him a piece of my mind. Or better yet, just fly low next to him to scare him." What a beautiful day to do absolutely nothing. Huh? What is that noise? Hey! You ruined my beautiful day!